Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those customers who's using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like A series, M series, F series, any series of Samsung Android smartphone if you're using, and if your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So this video is very useful for you to unlock your smartphone, and the main thing is that in this video you don't have to visit any service center and you don't need to purchase application to unlock your smartphone. Firstly, when your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock of Samsung Android smartphone, then firstly you will have to hard reset of your, factory reset of your smartphone. Then after factory reset, when you will switch on your smartphone, you will get a such type of display. That's the name is welcome page. Okay. Now here, if you go with the start button, I'm going to show you what happened after the hard reset with your smartphone when you will switch on your Samsung Android smartphone. When you will go with this process, firstly you will have to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here I have already connected my smartphone to the Wi-Fi network. So after that you will have to go to the next option here. Now let's check what happened next here. So you can see here it's again here your pattern pin or password lock, whatever lock was in your smartphone, that will ask on this page. But I think you don't have remember your pin pattern or password lock, so you will get another option that is showing here use my Google account instead. Simply you will have to click on this Google account instead option, and when you will click on this Google account instead option, it will switch to your phones to the Gmail ID and password page. Okay, now if you have your Gmail ID and password, then you can easily go through this page. But if you don't have remember your Gmail ID and password, then you can see here there is not any skip option on this page. So here I will give you some tips and tricks by which you can get a skip option on this page, because this page is very important to bypass this page, and this is known as FRP lock. Okay, I mean to say here I am going to introduce you how you can FRP bypass of your Samsung Android smartphone. I mean to say all the Gmail IDs and Gmail applies FRP lock for the security purpose, and this method is known as Gmail ID removal credential method. Okay, so after that simply you will have to go to the back option and you will have to reach to the start page here. Now here you will get a three option. The first one is showing here your language option, and simply you will have to change here the language. Simply you will have to check click on this English UK option and go with the OK. Now after this you will get another option that is showing here emergency call. Simply you will have to click on this emergency call option. Now after that here you will have to dial a special USSD code, and the USSD code is *#0*#. When you will click on this USSD code *#0*#, you will reach to this page. You can see here there are lots of options showing on the phone display. Here you will have to go to the option that is showing here sensor option. Simply you will have to click on this sensor option, and when you will click on this sensor option, you will get a synchronizing option. You will have to wait on this page for 5 seconds minimum. Maximum there is no limit, but after minimum 5 seconds you will have to go to the back option here. And the second option is showing here at the end. You can see here the showing is version. Simply you will have to click on this version option, and when you will click on this version option, you will get a such type of version display on your phone. Okay, so again here you will have to wait only for 5 seconds minimum, and maximum there is no limit. Then when the 5 seconds will complete here, simply you will have to go to the back option here, and again you will have to go to the back here. Okay, and you will have to reach to the start page. Okay, now after that you will have to go to the start option here. Now again after that here you will have to check all these options and go to the agree here. Okay, now here again you will have to go to the agree. Now from this page here you will have to activate your phone's TalkBack option, and for activate your phone's TalkBack option you will have to press the power button and the volume up button same time for the 5 seconds to activate your TalkBack option. And for this simply you will have to do this one and release. Now you will have to click on this use option. Again you will have to do the same and release. Now here you will have to draw a opposite L. You will have to click on this while using the app, double tap here, and you will have to double tap on voice command. Open Google Assistant, open setting, Now when your phone's setting option open on your phone display, you will have to switch off your TalkBack option, and for this you will have to repeat the process here. Press the volume up button and the power button at the same time for 5 seconds here and release. Now here you will have to make some changes in the setting. Firstly, you will have to go to the option that is showing here lock screen. You will have to click on this. Here you will have to slide your phone downside. Here you will get an option that is showing here face recognition and fingerprint. Simply you will have to click on this face recognition option. You will get a pop-up that is showing here continue. You will have to press this option continue for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now when the 5 times complete, you will have to go to the back option. Now the another option is showing here fingerprint option. Simply you will have to click on this fingerprint option, and again you will have to click on this continue option 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after that go to the back option. Okay, now again you will have to wait here until this page opens here. Now after that you will get an option of open source link. Simply you will have to click on this open source link option. Now here you will get a web address. You can see here there is showing a web address. Simply you will have to copy this web address here. Only this web address you will have to copy here. Just a minute. Yeah, after that you will have to click on this copy and go to the back option here. Again you will have to go to the back here. Again you will have to go to the back here. Now after that, now okay, now all the things has been done in this page. Now you can see here in this page I had only chosen a single option, that is lock screen. You have to do the same here. Now when your web address will be copied, you will have to exit this page and go to the starting page. Okay, now again here you will have to start this page here. You will have to check all these options here. Now go to the agree here. Now here you will have to uncheck two options. The first one is showing here nearby device, and the second one is showing here nearby device. You will have to uncheck both the option and go to the agree here. Now after that here you can see here you will have to tap on this add network option. Okay, now when you will tap on this add network option, you will get an option that is showing here setting option. Okay, you can see here you are getting here setting option. Simply you will have to click on this option. Firstly you will have to go to the this option that is showing here text shortcut here. You will have to click on this add option. Now here you will have to type here FRP bypass, and here you will have to paste that web address what you had copied here, and you will have to click on this add option. Now go to the back option here. Now after that you will get another option that is showing here language type. Simply you will have to click on this language type option here. Now after that you will get an option that is showing here manage input language. Simply you will have to click on this manage input language here. You will get a lots of options on this page, but you will have to select all the English whatever showing on this page. So you will have to check this English US, UK, both of them, and go to the back option here. Okay, now all the settings has been done on this page. Go to the back option here, and again you will have to go to the back option here. Now after that you will have to go to the view more option here. Here you will have to make one changes here. You will have to select this static option. Now here you will have to change here. You will have to dial type the same here 888.88.000.88, and you will have to type the same here, that is 24, and after that simply you will have to go to the back option here. Okay, now again you will have to go to the back option, and you will have to go to the back here. Okay, and you will have to reach to the start option. Now After makes all the changes in the next pages, you will have to change here the language. You will have to select the language English UK to English US and go to the OK. Now all the things has been done. Now let's check what happened. Either the skip option is showing on the Gmail ID credential page or not. So go with this, start, check all these options. Now you can see here both the nearby devices uncheck here. You will have to check it out that your nearby device is unchecked or not. So make sure these both should be unchecked here. Go to the agree here. Now after that go to the next here. So after that you will get two options, don't copy or next. Simply you will have to select this don't copy option here. So my friend, you can check here, you are getting a skip option on this Gmail ID credential page. So if you are also getting this skip option, it means your all the setup has been done properly. Now after that you don't have to do anything. Simply you will have to click on this skip option and you will bypass this page. Now after that you will have to go to the accept. If you want to use new pin pattern and password, then you may use from here, but right now I will skip this process. But make sure within 1 hour of this method you will have to use new pin pattern or password lock. Otherwise the previous lock will be activated on your Samsung Android smartphone and you will have to repeat the process again. Okay. Go to the next, skip this page, skip here. You will get a pop-up of your all setup. You will have to simply click on this finish option. Now here you will have to click on this agree. Here it will ask you to select a language. You can also bypass this page, but I will suggest you select a single language, then go to the next option. Continue. Install, finish. So you can see here the Samsung Android smartphone has been unlocked and the FRP has been already bypassed. You can see here, and you can see here this is completely unlocked. So if this video helped you to unlock your smartphone and FRP bypass, then do the like this video. And if this method didn't work on your smartphone, then make us comment where you're stuck in this process. Our team will quick response on your comment. Thank you so much.